Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem in Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War Zombie in 3-week event. The problem is when you want to join to your friend, you will see this error, which means you must download the content. The first what you should do is add your friend to your Battle.net account friend list. The second, the person who wants to be a host must be in general lobby of Cold War, Warzone and Modern Warfare, like you see now on the left side of the screen. The rest must click on community on upper right corner, they choose the friend who are in the general lobby and press RK to join them, like you see in the right side of the screen. Very important is the host must stay in the general lobby while the other joins him. Thanks for watching, leave the comment and subscribe the channel.